Canadian students just built a hearing aid for $20, and it could make a $5,000 device obsolete. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Sunday, May 17th, 2026. A team from Amano Labs replaced electronic components with mechanical parts that mimic the inner ear. The result? A custom-fit hearing aid for just $20. The industry standard runs $1,000 to $5,000. Millions of people who can't afford hearing aids right now could be about to get their hearing back. Scientists just performed the world's first brain-computer interface surgery targeting the higher cortex, the region that controls intent and decision-making. Patient Brandon Patterson, paralyzed for years, is already feeling phantom sensations in his hands. This opens the door to treating paralysis, dementia, and mood disorders. Researchers built a liquid molecule that absorbs sunlight, stays charged for months, and releases heat on demand. It beats lithium-ion batteries on energy density. Think rooftop collectors that capture sun by day and heat your home overnight. No expensive battery pack required. A Thai villager stumbled onto the bones of Southeast Asia's largest dinosaur, a 90-foot, 28-ton sauropod that roamed 113 million years ago. It's also the geologically youngest of its kind in the region. They named it after the Naga, a serpent deity from Thai religious tradition. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about affordable hearing aid access for millions in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.